here is the instruction for installation of Citronics Wi-Fi Doorbell CTDB01. Okay, open the color box. You will find the menu, and the Wi-Fi Doorbell is here. Please take it out here. You will find the music box. And some accessories. The AC power cable. The screws. The RJ45 port. The relay port. Screwdriver. Bracket. Okay, firstly, if you want to install this Wi-Fi doorbell on your wall, then you can drill 2 holes on the wall, here and here, and then use the screws to fix it, and then to hang on the Wi-Fi doorbell. Okay, now here is the connection of the cables. So this cable is for RJ45. Yes, pin it. And this relay is for intelligent door, if you want. So here is the DC cable. You can power it by DC 12 voltage, or you can use the AC power by this cable. It supports AC 12 to 24. So now we use DC power, and the ring now is powered on, and the ring is blue. Okay, and let's connect to router by RJ45 cable. Okay, now you can download the app named Wi-Fi Doorbell Pro. Okay. Please click here to add doorbell. There is 3 ways to add a device. You can put in the Bell ID, or you can scan the QR code and you can search. Now we choose to scan the QR code. You can find the QR code on the back panel of the sticker. Okay, now it is added. The username is admin, password is blank, and make it done. So now the doorbell is online. See? Now we can see the video. Okay, let's try to call. Okay, now it's on. Now let's speak. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Yes, I can hear. Yes, I can hear you. Okay. So now we can make 2-way audio. So now match the music box. The music box we have to press the volume, the right the right volume button. And meanwhile, press 3 times of the doorbell. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think it's done now. Let's try again. Yeah. So the music box now is on. You can listen to the music of the music box. Okay, now we can use the functions of the app by snapshot successful, and record. And now we are recording. Okay, click it again. Now you stop. And unlock. The unlock function you should connect this Wi-Fi doorbell to your intelligent door. We cannot ensure all the intelligent locks can work with our Wi-Fi doorbell. Okay. Now we can find the recorder pictures and video by clicking record. Yeah, we will find the files. Yes, you can see the files here. Let's choose the last one. We can choose the browser to view it. Yeah, now the video is here. Okay, let's go back. Go back to doorbell. Now we can see the Wi-Fi. By see the Wi-Fi, you can choose the tool icon of the doorbell. Choose the last one, Wi-Fi setting, and choose the manage Wi-Fi network. Choose the Wi-Fi signal of your house and put in the password. Make sure that your Wi-Fi password is correct and click Done. And it will show Wi-Fi setup successfully. Then we can pull the RJ45 cable out. Pull it out. Let's try again. Now it's on. Okay. There's the other setting by clicking the tool icon, like a whitelist setting, interface setting, alarm setting, lock setting, equipment time setting, and Wi-Fi setting. So if there is any other questions, you can just email us or directly call us. The phone number is on our official website, www.citronicsecuritycameras.com. Thank you.